Back with another quick tech tip from the studio. So I'm doing this mix here for a new track, an upcoming album. So the tip of today is if you have access to passive equalizers. So equalizers normally have active equalizers; those are the most regular ones. But you also have passive equalizers. They work a little bit different. I tend to use a lot of passive equalizers to get a lot of sort of an analog feel to my mixes. So here, for example, I'm using the Lindell plugin from Plugin Alliance, amazingly sounding passive equalizer to boost my high ends. So if you're using passive equalizers to equalize, for example, your high end, it tends to sound not so digital. It tends to sound much more analog than an active equalizer. So definitely worth checking out working with passive equalizers if you have access to them. Cheers, bye, until the next one.